Tech Tips here, and today we will be unboxing the monitor. The name of the monitor is right here. Let's start the unboxing, guys. So first let's just get this. Okay, gotta get that. You know, the tape. Let's go get this tape. Let's see how we're gonna do. Okay, let's go. Ooh, yeah. Sounds nice. That's it. Let's just get that here. Okay. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Let's get this bad boy and put him on the floor. Okay. Let's get this out. It's actually quite heavy, guys. Not gonna lie. It is really heavy. Really heavy, guys. Like, if you're just gonna try, damn. If you're ever gonna get this, maybe think about getting some assistance when opening it. Just get that box out of the way. Guys, I'll get that stuff away. So, a quick setup guide. Well, we don't need that. Get this. Just go ahead, open this. Let's go ahead, do that. This is what the monitor is going to be standing on. Let's put this to the side. HDMI cable here. And this cable. I don't know what that cable is. Okay, there's some thing right here. You can just take that to the side, and this is where you mount the monitor, I'm pretty sure. Get that. Yoink. Oh, there we go. Again, there we go. Oh, we've got to have to open this. There we go. This looks nice. Let's put it to the side. Now let's get to this. This is what we've all been waiting for, the monitor, guys. Well, let's go ahead, just that open. Didn't see that. There we go. And now yes, sir. It's a nice monitor, guys. So let's just, how do we? Nope, nope, nope. We're just gonna, let's just, there we go. Well, it's already open. So, yeah. There it is. Nice. Okay, see you guys when it's assembled and all set. Okay guys, it looks insane. Got them curves. You can't see that right now, but it's actually curved. Here you can see it. But yeah, let's see how it turns out. Okay, I just turned it on. Oh. There we go. This looks nice. It does look really nice. Yeah, this looks really cool, guys. Okay, let's check some frames. Actually, I don't know anything about frames. Let's just check the graphics. Okay guys, you can see this is a video. Really nice looking video. Let's go. And you can really see the color. Here you can really see the color. Go launch up Fortnite. See if Fortnite supports it. I'll see you guys when I'm loaded in. Okay guys, so Fortnite, you can play an ultra wide, sorry. So this is really nice. Yeah. It's really good. You can really see the colors, you know? Yeah. Okay, so that's it for today, guys. I think at least. And that's it for the video. See you guys next time.